listening. Ignore the world, let the music cave in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be shooting a box braid video. I'm going to be box braiding my brother's hair. And I just thought I would record and film since I'm back on the YouTube wave. So yeah, I'm about to box braid his hair. He already blew it out. I'm about to head to it right now. So right now we're starting off on hair that was blow dried yesterday and he slept on it, so it got a little matted. The products I'm going to be using is Softy Indian Hemp Grease and Jelly Jam from Dark and Lovely. So now I'm about to start braiding the back. I haven't braided hair this short in a really long time, but it came out really good. I'm going to show you guys later down in the video my methods on how I braid hair, so continue to watch. So right now I'm on the second row. I have one more row of short hair and then I'm gonna get to the longer piece. Don't mind the back of his hair. He started growing it out in January and it's taken a while to catch up with the rest of his hair.
There's an appeal.
Yeah, but I'm going downstairs to get
1, 2, 3.5 inches of hair that I'm braiding in. What I do is first I add the jam down the length of the hair. Depending on how coarse the person's hair, you don't have to do this. Then you grab 3 even pieces. Hold your neck up. 3 even pieces. Then you use your pointer finger and your thumb finger to grab the end piece. And then use your other pointer and thumb to grab the next end piece and pull the middle over. You continue to braid down the length of the hair. Then halfway through the length of the hair, when you're near the ends, you flip your method and go underhand. Oh snap. If the hair is short, you might lose a piece, so you have to go back up and redo it. Turn your neck up. Now you could come closer. So now that I'm finally at the longer part, you can finally see how the braids are gonna start to form and look. I really don't like doing voiceovers because I feel like my voice has like no tone to it. But continue to watch the video to see the end results.
How would I know that?
You should have seen that. I left it and said I was gonna.
Where did I see it at? I just seen you bring it back in. Stink ass butt.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
Big party like the West